Question number 5th, exercise 2.4, chapter 2, mathematics class 8th, linear equations in one variable. Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present ages? This question has given us two statements as our hints and we have to find their current ages. So this question seems easy. First of all, we shall try to visualize this question. So we have Shobo here with his beautiful mother and we are given two hints which will ultimately help us in finding their present ages. So with this idea, let's try to solve the question. So we wrote solution. We read first statement. Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. This statement is simple. Here it says that mother's current age is 6 times child's current age. It means mother's age is given in terms of child's age. So it is a better practice to take our variable as child's age. So we took the same. So we wrote, let Shobo's present age be S years. S because it represents Shobo's age. So small letter of his name. After considering it, mother's age would be simple. It would be 6S years. So we wrote the same. Shobo's mother's present age equals 6S years. This we found from the first statement. Again reading, Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times. That is 6 multiplied with whatever we have considered Shobo's age. So we have considered Shobo's age as S years. So 6S is Shobo's mother's present age. So we are dealing with present ages of both of them. Let's move to second hint. Shobo's age 5 years from now. Let's stop here itself. So first of all, find what would be Shobo's age 5 years from now. So if you are 15 right now, after 5 years, you would be 20 years old. It is simple. We just add 5 to it. So we did the same. Shobo's age 5 years from now would be his present age, which is S years plus 5. We didn't write years in this. You may write it, but we will straight away write in the answer part because this thing represents age and age is considered in years. Also, next part of this statement says Shobo's age 5 years from now, which we have found, will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. So here we get an idea, that is, we can form an equation. Will be means that would be equal to 1/3. That means 1/3 of what? Mother's present age. A keynote is here that it is not saying mother's age after 5 years. We shall equate it to 1/3 of present age. So we wrote the same in semi-mathematical form. So we wrote also Shobo's age 5 years from now will be equal to 1/3. So we wrote 1/3 of his mother's present age. This will be represent equal to sign. Again, we can write this English statement into mathematical terms like this. Therefore, it is symbolic form of therefore. Hence, we wrote therefore S plus 5. That is Shobo's age 5 years from now, which we got from here. We wrote S plus 5. This equal as it is 1/3 simply means 1/3 of his means multiplication. Mother's present age is 6 years. That is mother's present age. We got an equation. Now we shall solve it. So in first step, we write the found equation as it is. So we wrote the same, cancelling opportunity. 1 3 is a 3, 2 3 is a 6. Now S plus 5 equals to as it is. Solve it. 2S we have on right hand side. So we wrote 2S. Now we shall transpose this single S on left hand side towards right hand side. Here it is positive. Here it will become minus. So 5 as it is on left hand side equal to as it is. 2S on right hand side as it is. And transposing positive S towards right hand side, it becomes minus S. Solve it. 2S minus S is simple as, and on left hand side 5 as it is. Henceforth, the value of S is separated and its value came as 5. And we have considered S as Shobo's current age. Therefore, Shobo's present age is 5 years and Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times of Shobo's current age, which is 5 years. So simple, 6 into 5 is 30 years. Remember to always write units in the answer part because 5 could be a number, it could be a currency, it could be a length. So you have to depict that what this quantity ultimately is. Here we are dealing with ages, so we have to write years. If you don't write years, you may not get your marks. Therefore, with this, we have found what are their present ages. So you see, after visualizing the question and only finding what is required leads us to the solution of the problem. So with this, question number 5 of exercise 2.4 linear equations in one variable has been solved.